What's your trouble? I'm afraid I've got a bad cold. When did you begin feeling ill? Yesterday morning. I'm afraid you've got a fever, too. What must I do, doctor? Take these tablets 3 times a day. Have a good rest and drink plenty of water. I'm sure you will be all right soon. What are you interested in, Miss Wang? I enjoy reading novels. Reading novels. That's great. Are you interested in love stories? No, I'm fond of classical novels. Oh, that's interesting. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading, too. What's your favorite pastime? I'm keen on sports. What sport do you like most? I'm fond of swimming. Swimming! That's great! I like swimming too, but I'm not a very good swimmer. Well, that's not very important. The important thing is to keep fit. I beg your pardon. Oh, it's a line from Longfellow. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you clearly. Can you say that? Learn to labor and learn to wait. What does labor mean? It means to work hard. How do you spell the word? L-A-B-O-R. Labor. I'm afraid I can't speak English well. Your English is okay. What does WC there mean? It means water closet. It is important to know that. Oh, you're right. What do you say if you want to find that place? You say, "Excuse me, where is the man's room or lady's room?" You can also say, "Where can I wash my hands?" Miss Wang, I'd like to make an appointment with your manager. When do you want to see him? Can I see him this afternoon? I'm afraid he won't be free in the afternoon. Will tomorrow morning be all right? Tomorrow morning will be fine with me. When will it be convenient for you? 9 o'clock? Any time in the morning. 9 o'clock is okay. When can I see you? How about this evening after supper? Is 7 o'clock all right with you? Good. 7 o'clock sharp. Shall we meet at Hilton Hotel? Right. Let's see each other in the lobby. Okay, that's settled. What do you think of the performance? It's very good. Don't you think so? Yes, I quite agree with you. The acting is excellent. I think so too, and the songs are beautiful. I'm afraid I wouldn't say that, Miss Wang. They seem a bit too loud to me. In fact, many foreigners think Peking opera is too loud. What do you think of the price? I'm afraid I can't accept that. It's still too high. Not really. You know the high quality of our goods. I agree, but we buy a large amount. It's good business. I see your point, but the price is really low already.
show me how to use this computer? How do you make it work?
Okay, first you have to open the laptop. Slide the switch.
Oh, okay. What's after that?
Next, you push the power on button.
This one?
No, don't touch that button. Push that one there.
Ah, yes. Excuse me. How do you use this cordless phone?
Dial the number you want to call.
Do I have to turn on the phone first?
Oh, yes. First, you have to turn on the phone.
Which button is the power button?
That one.
There's no sound.
Give me the phone. Oh, you can't use the phone now. The battery is dead. So, how do you like our new office?
I'm a bit confused. Where can I check my email?
Oh, you need to use this computer.
Can I use this computer to check my email this afternoon?
Sure.
And where's the phone?
That's where the secretary is.
Can you ask her to bring it in here? I need to use it here.
Okay.
Well, I didn't have a chance to see her last week, but I think it's this week we really tried to get together. Yeah. Oh, can I talk to you later? My friend's here. Okay. Bye. Hey, come in. It's great to see you. Have a seat. Thanks. What a wonderful house you've got here. Thanks. Is there anything I can get you? No, thanks. By the way, can I use the bathroom? Sure, it's just down the hall. Thanks. Can I turn on the television? I'm waiting to watch the football game. Go ahead. The remote's on the chair. Thanks. How's the game? Great. Can we turn on the air conditioner? It's getting really hot in here. Yeah, I'll get it. Thanks. You have a really nice office, Layla.
Thanks. Well, just make yourself at home and let's get started on this project.
It's pretty dark in here. Could I turn on the light?
Sure, I'll get it for you.
Could I use your phone? I want to call my secretary.
It's right over there, next to the computer.
Thanks. By the way, Layla, can I use the copy machine? I have to get these copied.
Sure, it's down the hall on the left.
Great.
How are things going with the computer? I have a few small problems. Oh yeah? What? Well, the ink cartridge in this printer is almost empty. Would it be all right if we change it?
No problem.
Oh, and another thing. Would it be okay if I check my email? I'm expecting a message.
Sure, go ahead. Hey, did you know Tracy Hunter is coming to town tomorrow? Isn't that the girl you used to like a lot? I still do. I'm going to ask her out to dinner, but I'm broke. Oh, can I borrow $50 from you until next Tuesday? I'm sorry, I don't have any extra money this month. You know how it is. Can you drive me to my dad's house? I can borrow money from him. I don't think so. My car's broken and it won't be fixed until Monday.
By the way, my son is going camping this weekend.
That's nice. How is he getting there?
He's catching a ride with some friends. Would it be okay if he borrowed your backpack?
Yeah, I guess so.
Great. Thanks. Do you have an extra tent?
Yes, I do.
Could he use your tent?
I guess so. Hey, boss, can I have this Friday off? I'm sorry, that's not possible. You know this is a busy month for us. Would it be okay if I work a half day on Friday, then all day on Saturday? I suppose that would be okay. Thanks. Can I have a raise too? A raise? Do you want a raise in your salary? Yes, please. No way. There'll be no raise for you, Bill. Can I have a Christmas bonus? Yes, you can have your Christmas bonus, just like every year. Can I have my Christmas bonus now, today? No, get back to work, Bill. I'd like the number 4 breakfast set.
Okay.
But I don't like sausage. Could I change the sausage to bacon?
Yes, you can change the sausage to bacon.
Thanks. Can I change the toast to a waffle? I like waffles.
I'm sorry, you can't. We don't have any waffles.
That's okay. Can I change the coffee to tea?
Yes, you can change the coffee to tea.
Hey, Clara. Would it be okay if I come to your house a little bit late?
Sure, what's wrong?
I have to pick up my son before I go to your place, so I think I might be late.
Fine, that's no problem. Oh, before I forget, can I have you bring your laptop computer? Mine is not working. We'll need to use a computer for the project.
No problem. I'll bring it. How is your new car working out? Fine. I really love it. Good. Would you mind if I use your old car tomorrow evening? Where are you going?
To the beach with my friends from college.
Yes, I guess that will be fine. When will you be back?
Before 10 o'clock.